This is Supply House Times editor Mike Miazga here at the 2012 KBIS show in Chicago at McCormick Place. We're here at the Liberty Pumps booth, joined right now by Liberty Pumps Randy Waldron, and we appreciate you taking a couple of minutes to talk to us today. You've got your new Ascent 2 macerating toilet on display here. Why don't you run through real quick some of the features of this?
Absolutely. The Ascent 2 is one of the newest macerating toilets that are out. It's designed for a lot of remodeling applications where you might have slab concrete or you don't have the ability to run drain lines easily, and you might not want to bust concrete floors to run sewer lines. It basically allows you to put a bathroom where typically you wouldn't be able to. Basements, industrial buildings, any place where you might have just slab construction and you want to remodel. The system features a high efficiency toilet. It is WaterSense rated, 1.28 gallons per flush. It's available in either elongated or round front. And the macerating system is really where a lot of the new technology is. On the side over here, we've built in some electronics, and it allows you to push a button and bypass the internal switching and run the system manually right from a push button on the cover. There's also some LED lights. Green light lets you know that there's power. There's an alarm built into the system, so if something weren't to function properly, it'll give you an alarm and let you know that there's a high level condition. One of the biggest features to the system is its accessibility. If something were to get flushed down the toilet that maybe shouldn't be, like a little action figure or a Matchbox toy, you can easily get into the macerating system through an access cover here. You simply remove this decorative cover, and there is a safety switch in here, so it de-energizes the system. It will not come on once this cover is removed for safety reasons. And there's a secondary cover you would need to remove with a few screws. You lift this out. This is a sealed cover. There are gaskets under here. And this allows quick access to the cutter. We call this the cutter basket. You slide this over. If you can get in there. You need to redo that part. The basket slides over. You have access to the cutter area. You can pull out an action figure or what happened, maybe got flushed down there or shouldn't be down there, and you can slide it back over, put the system back together. So literally in a matter of just a couple minutes, you can get in here, clear out something if you needed to, put it back together without disconnecting any plumbing or taking this system off of the toilet.
That's a big benefit for a homeowner or a facility maintenance guy?
Facility maintenance, homeowner, or a contractor gets called back in. That's usually what he wants to do, is get in there and see what's going on. This makes it extremely easy for him.
Now, what kind of situations would typically be encountered to make someone want to turn to this as an option?
Again, it's probably somebody wanting to put a bathroom in an area where it's just not convenient, under a staircase, in a basement, remodeling, putting a downstairs living area in a home. It could be very expensive to bust concrete and jackhammer floors and set sewer lines. This allows you to do it without busting concrete. So.
And this is already available?
It is available. This newer unit was introduced in the fall, and it's doing quite well.
Wonderful. I appreciate you taking a couple of minutes to talk to us today. For more on KBIS, read the June issue of Supply House Times.